The whole point of Tesla is to accelerate the advent of electric vehicles and sustainable transport.
The new electric cars and their spreading popularity is something every one of us is familiar with the incredible attraction of driving a car which is not only entirely silent but also doesn't cause any pollution at all. Many companies around the world have started to make the switch from gas vehicles to electric vehicles. However, what does this mean for the already thriving gas industry? That is what you clicked on this video for, isn't it? So without any further ado, let's just dive into the video. Electric cars and their advantages. Electric cars have the following advantages which make them superior options in the eyes of the consumer. Number 3, cheaper to run. This may not come as a surprise to you, but electric cars are significantly cheaper to run as compared to gas cars in terms of their energy source. The price of petrol and diesel required to drive a car a certain distance is much higher than the price of electricity to do the same. Moreover, this gap in price can be further increased if you use your solar PV system for the free charging stations. Number 2, cheaper to maintain. This is a benefit many people aren't aware of. Electric cars, which seem to be much more modern and complex than gas cars, are in fact cheaper to maintain as they have considerably less moving parts. Not only is servicing them much easier, they can also go for much longer period of time without servicing than gas cars. Electric cars seem to be the entirely superior option, don't they? Number 1, better for the environment. Electric cars, as we mentioned above, are better for the environment than gas cars as they do not cause pollution while functioning. However, there are more reasons why they are the better alternative. If you charge your car during the day or by using a solar PV system, the car can function without the use of non-renewable resource. This can benefit mankind as a whole by reducing the strain on petrol and diesel, saving them for other activities which have much more limited substitute options. All in all, electric cars are basically the key to a healthier Earth. The fight against gas in California. The complete takeover of the gas industry by electric cars may seem like an event of the far future, but in reality, the war has already begun. Governor of California, Gavin Newsom, made a statement last year that the sale of new gas-powered cars will be banned in California by 2035. 2035? That's not as far off as you would have expected, is it? It still isn't clear just how realistic this vision is, but with work on making this wish a reality already started, it might just become a reality. Gas station owners are demanding to know more about this statement, and they have already placed many demands as to what will happen to the gas industry if such a turnover was to happen. So far, they haven't received any word back. And with the entire world looking forward to this transition, the future doesn't look extremely bright for the industry. Will gas stations become obsolete? As of now, with the limited information available about the industrial turnover, it's safe to say that the gas stations are not about to suddenly disappear. Gas stations are a known and trusted stopover for drivers, even in unfamiliar places. With this trust of people and with the technology of electric cars still needing to be refined, gas stations have reason to stay, at least for the upcoming few years. However, with the constant development of the electric transportation industry, there is still a chance for a drastic change, at least after 5 years. This possibility arises mainly out of the economic interests of businesses and their wish for goodwill. With new charging stations being set up all around us, it is highly possible that auto manufacturers may find electric cars simply more profitable than their alternative. Especially with the low range anxiety between two charging points, electric cars might just end up overthrowing the gas industry sooner than expected. The future is filled with uncertainty, but it is still safe to say that electric cars are the future of the automobile industry. What are your thoughts regarding this topic and the future of electric cars? Comment down below, and if you liked our content, then be sure to give us a like. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and be sure to hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our content. With that, we end our video and hope you all have a nice day.